Hi there, I'm just going to give you a brief introduction how to use your smart case with your Smartblade. If you just want to charge your smart case, all you need to do is you need to clip the Smartblade to the back of your case and the Smartblade will start charging your phone when it is in what's called unmounted. So you can see here from the green light it is now charging my phone. If I go into the Smart app, you can see it is charging my phone. If I snap it off, it will stop charging my phone. And you can see now it's in what's called unmounted mode. From unmounted mode you can charge your phone with your Smartblade. However, if you want to use the expanded functions such as storage of the Smartblade, you need to do what's called mount your case. I do that by this switch here. If I move this switch from left to right, you will see the case mount. The air quality sensor is initializing and it shows me how much power and storage I have available right now. Now, if I snap on the Smartblade, you can see that's my phone power currently, or battery level, and then the Smartblade has 86%. If I press charge now, it will start to charge my phone. You can also see now here on the memory tile I have 29 gigabytes left of free memory on my phone, but I have 147 gigabytes on my Smartblade, and the air quality sensor has initialized and it started to sample air quality. If I now go into the storage screen, you can see here's my phone storage, and then just down here you have two types of Smartblade storage. One is Smartblade storage that is fixed and built in. This is on this particular Smartblade is 64 gigabytes. There is an expandable Microsd slot, and in that I have 32 gigabytes on my Smartblade. If I go back to the home screen, as I said, I can either charge the phone from here, or I can actually go through to the battery settings screen. I can see the two batteries that I have. This one is the Smartblade battery, and if I want to charge I can press here. So I will do that just so you can see. The Smartblade is now charging the phone. If I go back to the home screen, you can see we have this charging screen. To stop charging, you have to pull off the Smartblade. I now remove the Smartblade and we will go back to the mounted screen, and if I'm not using my Smartblade anymore or the air quality sensor, if I move the switch from right to left, I move back into unmounted mode. Thank you.